Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we've got an electrifying story to share with you, a new addition to the electric vehicle lineup that challenges the skepticism surrounding long-distance travel. Now, there's been a lot of talk about electric cars being great for short commutes, but not so much for road trips, right? Well, Volkswagen is here to challenge that notion with the ID.7 Tourer, the wagon version of their ID.7 sedan. The big news here is the introduction of a larger battery pack. The base ID.7 comes with a 77 kilowatt-hour battery, but if you go for the ID.7 Pro, you get an 86 kilowatt-hour power pack. Volkswagen estimates an impressive 426 miles between charges. And let's talk charging times. With the bigger battery, you can go from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Now, the ID.7 Tourer is not just about the battery. It's also a wagon, and that means more space. How does it compare to its sedan sibling? Well, Volkswagen says the Tourer offers more cargo space, up to 1,714 liters with the seats folded down. That's more than the sedan and even bigger than a BMW i5. Inside, it's what you'd expect from an ID.7, a sleek digital instrument pack and a 15-inch touchscreen. But here's the cool part. Volkswagen has integrated ChatGPT AI tech. It promises an improved voice assistant and a head-up display that shows navigation instructions from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, here's something interesting. The ID.7 Tourer doesn't have a third row of seats, which was teased in the Space Vision concept. It's strictly a two-row affair, but with all that cargo space, you might not even miss it. So why isn't the ID.7 Tourer coming to the US? Well, electric wagons are a bit of a niche, and Volkswagen has its reasons. But we want to know from you, do you think there's a market for the ID.7 Tourer in the US? Drop a comment below and let Volkswagen America know if they should give this break a break. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Volkswagen ID.7 Tourer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and ring that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest news. Until next time, drive safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.